Hello everyone, in our previous video we got to know that how file is downloaded in Cypress. In this video let's see how we can verify downloaded file. In Cypress you can verify whether the file is downloaded using two ways. You can use Cypress readFile command, or another technique is using the verify download plugin. readFile is the recommended way and it supports most file formats and allows you to read the file content. If any file format is not supported using readFile, or you want partial file name match without custom coding, you can use the verify download plugin. Download plugin also support interval pooling with a timeout. To download a plugin, type npm i-d sci verify downloads. This will install sci verify downloads plugin. Next step is go to your commands.js or e2e.js and type require sci verify downloads, the plugin name, dot add custom command. Now go to your Cypress config.js. Here type const verify download task, the variable name, equal to require your plugin name sci verify downloads, and inside setup node events type on task and then this variable name, save it. Now open your test file and type sci.readFile. So I already added several files in my downloads folder with different extensions: docx, jpg, mp4, pdf, txt and zip. Here give path of file Cypress downloads sample. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 files. Copy it 7 times. Use all the formats: txt, csv, docx, jpg, pdf, zip and mp4. Now execute your test. So you can see with readFile we are able to verify txt, csv, docx, jpg, pdf, zip, but for mp4 it failed. So by default sci.readFile asserts that the file exists and will fail if it does not exist. It will retry reading the file if it does not initially exist until the file exists or the command times out, but it does not support all the formats. That's why it failed for mp4. Now let's try the same with verify download command. Replace this read file with verify download. Execute again with verify download command. So you can see we are getting error because we don't need this Cypress path here. By default it will look in downloads folder, so we can remove it from here. Execute now. So this time you can see all assert pass, even the .mp4. So any file which you are unable to verify with readFile command, you can use verify download command. Now visit autoprec.com, Selenium, download.html. Here you will see a link from where you can download 32 MB doc file. Get the locator from here. Locator is .doc file. Copy it. So type sci.get .doc file. This will start downloading the file. Click. First let's try to verify it using the read file. So the file name is 32 MB.docx. 32 MB.docx. This will be downloaded inside my downloads folder. Add the complete path Cypress /downloads 32 MB.docx. Also add the URL sci.visit, this URL. Now execute. So you can see at the bottom file is downloading, and even before our file is downloaded, our test failed because it waited for just 4000 milliseconds, 4 seconds, and you can see file is downloading and our test failed. So to overcome this issue, you need to add timeout. Just after single quote, add curly bracket, timeout equal to 60 seconds. This is depending on the size of the file. Save and execute again. So you can see file is downloading and it's waiting for 60 seconds. This time you can see test pass. We are able to verify 32 MB file. Now the case is same with verify download command as well. So without timeout you will get error with verify download as well. You need to add timeout there as well, and with timeout you can use interval as well, 600 milliseconds. Remove this Cypress downloads and execute. So you can see file is downloading and it's pulling after 600 milliseconds, the interval we specified. So it's keep on looking for the file. This is 55 attempts. You can see it failed after 60 seconds because file was still downloading. So you need to make sure you give enough timeout depending on your file size. Case is same with read file as well. With verify download you can do partial file match. So for this sample.txt you can use sam or just the extension .txt and use contain true for the partial match. Contains, execute. You can see assert pass. With read file you can perform so many operations on file. So for example, this sample.txt contains text. This is my sample file. I can verify it using the read file, sci.read file. After reading, it should contain this text. execute. You can see expected, this is my sample file to include, this is my sample file. So with readFile you can do so many things. We will discuss about it later. Thank you for watching this video.